Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be giving a short tutorial about how to get support inside of Xumm, or Xaman, as it's about to be called. So, depending upon if you are opening this in the future, it may be called Xaman, Xaman, I believe. But right now they are called Xumm, Xumm, and this is still the same app. And the X apps, which is down here in the lower right corner, right next to settings, is what I hit to get to the screen. Otherwise, you'll see something like this with an account and a code, but right now it's going to be, we're just going to hit X apps and go back to that search screen. So if you want help through Xumm, you can actually get help from the creators of the app inside of the application, so you don't have to go to their website or anything like that. You just go here and you type in support. If I can type support right, you can see Xumm support. That might be Xaman support, Xaman in the future. But right now it's Xumm, so we're going to tap on that. And you can see here that the support app will open. You can see I've already done a ticket. They were extremely responsive and have gotten back to me. Don't even mind showing the ticket because they helped me. So that's basically it. I was shown that I was having trouble because I didn't see the same screenshot. I got something in another language, and here they showed me that this is where you get to that image. And so again, Will was very helpful. Shout out to him because he replied pretty quick. So thank you to Will. I can either write a reply or go back home. So of course, if I have a new question, which I do, I'm going to hit ask a question, and my question is, what is this ticket about? It is the support remove account button not working. And so you can just type your message into here. You can add screenshots if you have them for the issues you're having. I'm going to type a message and then I'm going to hit submit ticket. Alright, so now I hit submit ticket, and it's now on its way with a ticket number. So, pretty cool stuff. If I want to check back with it, I don't necessarily believe I get notified, but you might get notified by notifications. So, again, I just go to support, and you open the support app, and you get to see your ticket there. Hope this helps you. Again, please do not fall for any scammers. There's a ton out there. This is the way that they are giving support right now, and this has been, again, pretty quick. So you can see right now under pending, my request is there, and I'm expecting them to get back to me like within the day. So personal expectation, I'm not sure what their service level agreement is. I didn't necessarily see the first time. There's a lot of scams going around. This is a great way to get support within Xumm. I know people try to reach out in my comments sometimes. I am not Xumm support. I am just here to share what I learn with others. And if this helped you, make sure to smash that like button. And if you are so inclined, subscribe. And there are options on the screen to support the channel as well. Thank you so much. I'm JTXRP, and I'm out.